Meanwhile, in Allegan, more questions than answers almost 48 hours after a fireworks mishap during Monday night's show.
Well, Lauren Edwards spoke with the fire chief and has the latest.
I'm near downtown Allegan, right across the river is where that mishap happened. And we've been told by several people that it was a chaotic scene that happened on Monday night. And they had questions about the company behind the fireworks show. Now, we did some research at Fox 17 and learned that that company has a pretty good record, except for one violation in 2021. But we also spoke with the local fire chief, and he says no matter what, safety is their top priority.
We had people on all the bridges. We had people in the crowds. So we were ready for an incident, and we always are. And this time we actually had to use it.
Allegan Fire Chief Nicholas Brink says that the fire department and first responders were on standby when the errant firework flew into the crowd Monday night during the city's July 3rd Jubilee fireworks show. This video from Fox 17 viewers shows what happened.
It's an unfortunate event that happened. Obviously, it's an unintentional event. So we're very disappointed that it happened, but there's not really anything we can do other than react to it.
The city of Allegan in a statement Tuesday said that some people suffered minor injuries and one was transported to Helen DeVos Children's Hospital. Chief Brink says they've never seen anything like this.
We have never had anything of this scale, the amount of people. We've had firework incidents in the past, but we haven't had it at an actual show like this, a professional show.
The city also stated that they've contracted with the Wolverine Fireworks Display Company for years and for multiple annual shows. They're the ones who put on the show Monday night.
It's my understanding that they are electronic. They are not necessarily timed. There is the organizer of the event is pushing the buttons, telling them when to deploy.
Chief Brink says the company has to abide by the states and the National Fire Protection Association guidelines for every show. Fox 17 reached out to Wolverine Fireworks for an interview and are waiting to hear back. But Tuesday, they told Fox 17 that they've launched an internal investigation about Monday's incident. No word from the city if they're doing an investigation, but Chief Brink says investigations like these take time.
I would assume that it's going to start with the city of Allegan having a conversation with Wolverine. And that conversation would consist of what happened, figuring out why it happened, and how to prevent it from happening again.
Chief Brink says that's their goal too, making sure this mishap was a one-time thing.
We are going to do our best to ensure that the city and the fireworks company don't allow this to happen again by preventing, using better safety measures and just making sure that we're looking at all possibilities of failure and making sure we try not to have any.
So again, we reached out to Wolverine and we're just waiting to hear back for an interview or for a comment. And we also heard from Laura, who says that the company is in good standing with them and that no complaints have been filed, but it was under OSHA where we saw that violation that happened in 2021. It was listed as serious, and the following year it was settled for over $2,000. Reporting here in Allegan, Lauren Edwards, Fox 17 News.